With about 200 employees, SINTEF is one of Europe's largest independent research organizations working within the private and public sectors. SINTEF applies a multidisciplinary approach in a wide range of projects. Please welcome on stage, Hannes Valland.
Thank you. So I work with SINTEF Ocean, which is part of SINTEF, which is the largest independent research organization here in the Nordic countries. And SINTEF Ocean has been working since time immemorial, more or less, with reducing emissions from shipping. We've been helping our clients, the ship owners, the system suppliers, with reducing emissions from shipping. Now, with the IMO target that was set last year in April, we have to step up the game quite substantially. And leaving aside the debate on whether the IMO ambition is enough, it's a really hard target, and there's a lot of work to be done to meet it. We're going to do this by working along 3 decarbonization routes. One of them is operations. It has to do with how you operate your ship, has to do with how you make sure that you utilize the cargo carrying capacity of the ship, that it doesn't only carry cargoes one way and go empty the other way, that you don't have half-empty containers on board, but that you really do that. And you have to also look at how ports are accommodating ship efficiency and energy efficiency for ships, that ships don't have to lie in wait in order to unload and load cargo. And we also have to look at rules and regulations, because they were never developed with a mind to ship emission reduction, energy efficiency. You have to change those. They actually govern the lengths of ships, which affects ship emissions. The other one is design. This is the route we've been following, and which has given us 1.5% ship efficiency increases each year since about 1970. We have to step this up. It's about energy production on board. It's about hulls. It's about propellers. We have to do more on this. And then finally, fuels. You have to move into fuels that clean the air, take out the local air pollution, and then move gradually into what will eventually be zero-emission fuels. One of the great projects that we are working on right now in order to solve all of these things is what we call the Open Simulation Platform. Now, the Open Simulation Platform takes the form of, while you're building the physical ship, you also build the digital representation of the full ship. And instead of trying to do this by using us as research organizations, trying to make digital models of the ship, we use what we call an ecosystem, where we invite all of industry, because industry, they are the experts. They are really experts in their own field. The problem so far has been that industry has actually thought that they were also somewhat experts in the other fields that they're not. But there are a lot of different industry actors, and if you can make them come together, and if you can make them work together, and if you can take their models, and we don't care what's inside the models, we don't care how you built it and your own business secrets inside the models, we care about how the models can speak together. And that's what we're doing in the Open Simulation project. So we need 6 main components. The project itself looks at the interoperability of the simulator and the platforms and the standards for models and simulations, while in separate projects with the different industry partners, we look at the other 4 components. We have 23 participants in this project right now, and we need them. We have vessel designers, we have shipyards, we have system suppliers, we have system integrators, component suppliers, we have the classification society, and of course us as academia together with the technical university in Norway. This makes for a very powerful group of people who are going to deliver the Open Simulation platform. And we are going to make sure that it's possible to deliver this and have a full digital representation, finally, that everybody has been talking about for at least 20 years. Thank you.